Hello everyone, my name is Mukesh and I am an experienced data analyst as well career coach and mentor. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to share with you very important and common question asked by me lot of people. Those are struggling to improve their communication skills. So in this video I am going to share with you how I improved my communication skills from Hindi medium to confident speaker. I know about I used to hesitate even while introduce myself also in English, but today I speak at my corporate meetings, mentors the other people also confidently. Even I am coming from the Hindi medium background. So if you want to know how I did it, so let me take you through my real journey in this video. In this video, I am opening about my journey of overcoming the fear of English coming from Hindi medium background, and that time I used to struggle lot of time. So whether if you are a student and working professional or the job speaker, and if you have ever felt nervous about speaking the English, so this video is for you. Okay, so my challenges and the fear of speaking English when I started to learn the English coming from the Hindi medium background, I always felt like mountain and I was thinking I could never climb. So first of all, you need to understand if you would like to improve your communication skills. So definitely in the initial phase, you will able to facing some challenges, but you should able to avoid those challenges that I also used to. Initial time I used to hesitate while speaking even the single sentence also. I always fear being judged for my grammar and accent, and I always avoid speaking in group discussion. And I remember those moments also where I had the skills but I could not express myself, and that was really frustrating for me. So the biggest barrier of behind that moment of time, because I did not have that much knowledge. So if you don't have knowledge, that's okay, but if you don't want to try to gain that knowledge, that is also very problem. So not lacking of knowledge but lack of the confidence also facing biggest barrier while improve your communication skills. So what things which I tried, the mindset which shift totally changed for myself. So one day I realized communication is not about speaking perfect English. It's just like about expressing yourself and your thoughts in front of somebody, and that will not require you will able to learn whole grammar. Grammar will not help you to improve your communication and public speaking. So that thing I already understood that moment of time, and that kind of the simple shift changed everything for me. I stopped comparing myself to other. I permitted myself to make mistake, because every mistakes become a lesson for our life. And the skills which I could build just like a tool, like whatever the programming language also we will able to try to learn, but definitely it will take some time. So same thing, English is also language, so you should always follow some steps which I also followed, so that will also help you to improve your communication skills. So the 5 practical steps in this video I am going to share with you that I followed to improve my communication. So first thing, I always listening to improving my understanding part. So how I can do that moment of time, I started by listening to tech talks as well YouTube videos or English podcast daily. So initially when I used to started to listen some podcast, so I use subtitle, but later that I slowly switch them all off, and I can easily relate those conversation to understanding my way of thinking, and I can relate those things my personal life or daily routine also, whatever they are trying to speak in front of that video. So that helped me to understand my pronunciation part, because whenever I started to listening the podcast, I listened carefully their pronunciation, what kind of the tone they were using that moment of time, and what is the sentence of structure. So these three things I was able to focus, and I told people also, if you would like to improve your communication skills, so you need to focus these three things: your pronunciation, your tone, and understand the sentence of structure whenever if you are going to start and listening some podcast. So that will also help you to improve your communication part. Second thing, speaking loud every day. I practice speaking in front of mirror every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes. That also helped for me to improve my communication skill, and that also helped me to overcome my fear of English, because that time no one judge me. If I am standing in front of mirror, so I am the only person who can see in front of the mirror on my personality, no one judging with me, right? So these are the simple routine which I adapt myself every day to introduce myself, explaining my daily routine, to explaining my thoughts, right? And even sometime I recorded also myself. So once I recorded all these things, and after the end of day I listen my recording and understand what mistake which I done to speak in mirror. Next time, definitely whenever I will able to speak on the next day, so I will able to try to overcome those mistakes. So that also helped me to understand the depth of the communication skill, like whatever the problems area which I am able to facing while speaking English language in front of somebody. The third things, I started reading and vocabulary building. So I started read the articles, some books, whatever the books that you like. So whenever if you have started reading the books and articles, so that will also help you to understand the context of the idea and understand the framing of the structure, especially if I'm talking about the correct tenses, like what condition you can use, present tense and past tense and future tense. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not telling you you should able to learn grammar, but at least some basic idea about all these tenses. So that will also help you. So once you will able to start reading books, so your grammar part also will able to improve. Fourth part which I tried, I have shared my knowledge with other peoples and my communities also. Like when I started to mentoring the student, I had to explain the complex data concept in very simple English. So that pushed me to improve how I communicate, not just only for the technically, even the soft skills terms also. So that also taught me the power of clarity and communication aspects. The fifth thing which I leverage using the ChatGPT. You can try to leverage the ChatGPT as your personal coach. You can always write some prompt. Okay, suppose if you are my personal coach and you can give some roadmap. Okay, next 30 days and 40 days you will able to improve your communication skills. So ChatGPT also give you the roadmap, like what topics that you should able to focus, what is the strategy that you should able to try on every day. What you can do, that you can directly ask some questions with the ChatGPT and you can speak in front of ChatGPT. You can on the ChatGPT voice option, because nowadays we can see the voice option also enabled in the ChatGPT. So you can treat as a speaker, like you are the first speaker and ChatGPT is your second speaker. So you can always ask the question and you can tell, okay, this is the statement which you are going to phrase as of now. Can you please correct this statement? Can you please correct the English paragraph? Or maybe you can ask some feedback also. So ChatGPT also give you very good feedback. So that also helped me to rephrase my sound while communication in front of somebody. So that helped me to practice my interview also grow me as a faster personally for me as well. That's all about today's video. And if you have found this video is very helpful for you and you also want to improve your communication skill like how I also improved my communication skills, so in this video you just need to comment prompts. So I will be sharing with you the top ChatGPT prompts which help me also to improve my communication skills. So I will share with you all these kind of the prompt. If you can comment prompt, just write down prompt in my comment section and I will share with you all these prompt, your email ID. Okay, so if you have found this video very helpful for you, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe the video and follow my YouTube channel.